How to avoid impulse spending. Answer these inquiries honestly. Does your mate or accomplice grumble that you burn through a lot of cash? Are you amazed every month when your Visa bill shows up at what amount more you charged than you suspected you had? Do you have a larger number of shoes and garments in your storage room than you might at any point potentially wear? Do you own each new device before it has opportunity and energy to gather clean on a retailer's rack? Do you purchase things you didn't realize you needed until you saw them in plain view in a store? On the off chance that you replied yes to any two of the above questions, you are a drive high roller and entertain yourself with retail treatment. This is anything but commodity worth being thankful for. It will keep you from putting something aside for the significant things like a house, another vehicle, an excursion or retirement. You should lay out a few monetary objectives and oppose burning through cash on things that truly don't make any difference over the long haul. Drive spending won't just put a strain on your accounts yet your connections, also. To defeat the issue, the principal thing to do is figure out how to isolate your requirements from your needs. Publicists rush us peddling their items at us every minute of every day. Try to give yourself a chilling period before you purchase anything that you have not anticipated. At the point when you go out on the town to shop, make a rundown and take just sufficient money to pay for what you have intended to purchase. Leave your visas at home. Assuming you see something you think you truly need, allow yourself 14 days to choose if it is truly something you really want or something you can undoubtedly manage without. By following this basic arrangement, you will repair your monetary wall and your connections.